In this short but highly requested tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a course list that might show all of your courses in Thrive Apprentice and only show those courses that the customer has purchased. This would be a good thing to implement on something like a user dashboard. This is mine for Thrive Apprentice. And also on a courses page here where you can show all of your courses. You can separate these out so that a courses page shows everything and a dashboard will only show the courses that the user has purchased. Let's first look at the school homepage, or that main page that Thrive Apprentice creates that shows all of your courses. To edit that, we'll go to Design, click on Edit Design, and manage our templates. Then we'll find our default school homepage and click Edit. You can style this to look practically however you want. This is how I've designed mine. You need to select it and go to Filter Courses. And over here on the right-hand side, there's a column that says Course Access and Progress. If you want your main course list on your school homepage to show all courses, then you want to make sure that you show courses where the user has no access and courses where the user has access. And then make sure if you use things like difficulty levels and restriction labels, things like that, that you've checked all of those boxes. Additionally, if you have different types of topics within Thrive Apprentice, make sure that you've selected all of those topics here as well. Additionally, if you have different authors, be sure to select all authors or add specific authors that you want to show on this page. Using a setup like this, you can actually add multiple course lists. We could have this course list show our courses, and then if we scroll down, we could add another course list by expanding the element tree on the right, finding our course list element, dragging and dropping it wherever we want, choosing a simple design, we'll just choose this one, selecting that course list, filtering it, and choosing a different topic, or choosing a different difficulty level, or a different set of authors. And so we can break out our course lists even on our primary course school homepage into courses, workshops, or courses by Doug, courses by Jane, etc. The same thing applies on our dashboard type page. I have several videos on this channel where over the last year or so I've gone over creating a different dashboard for your Thrive Apprentice courses. On mine, I have two different versions using conditional display. So we can see here this content box in this right column where these courses reside. I have the default display, which shows everything. If I select the course list, go to filter, you can see everything is checked. Very similar to my school homepage. If I click on this content box under default display, that's the default. If I go to the next layer above it, so I like to think of them like layers, this one's number 1, and I select my course list, you can notice that it changed to My Courses. Let me do that again for you. So if I click the default, it says Courses because this shows everything. If I click Has Courses, it changes to My Courses. That's because under my filter rule, I've set the display conditions so that this content block will only show My Courses if the user has access to one of the different courses that they can purchase individually, or the Convology Pro All Access. Doing it this way, with my course list, under Filter Courses, I've only shown the courses that the user has access to, and it's only showing their courses. And if I change back to the default display under Courses, this is for somebody who might have purchased something like a design pack or something like that who doesn't have a course. I want to show all of them so that as they come here, they can see courses available, they can click into one, and then be prompted to go purchase that course from the access restriction rule. And don't forget, the same options are available on a dashboard page that we had on the template page. We can open up our element tray and search for course list, and we can drop in another course list. Let's say that we had something like workshops or something like that. We could choose a design. I'm just going to choose this one. And instead of a post list or a course list, we can make it a carousel so that the users can cycle through the different courses that you have under different category headers. This is a great way to save space. If you start to get too many courses where adding multiple course lists would be cumbersome or overwhelming to the user. You could use carousels to break out by topic. For me, that would be something like Thrive themes or email marketing, or you could break them out by type of content like courses, workshops, and masterclasses. All right, those are the options available to you to customize the display options for how your users can see and consume your content inside of Thrive Apprentice. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.